I can't believe my numbers are dropping, but a nigga is fine. Keeping the real, I'm the line. Tell you a nigga to the top. I'm the one that they hate it. Fucking up peace, I'm the one that they bear. I don't know fake or the shit. Fuck it, ain't no ain't. Tell you a nigga I'm the king, Wayne. I'm the one that they hate. Fucking the peace, I don't care. Tell you a nigga I'm a bad. I know the fuck. Tell you a nigga I'm the snitch. Tell you a nigga I'm the one who tell you niggas are fucking the bitch. What's up, guys, and welcome back to FOSS Institute. And today we're gonna time to play. Time to play. Today, guys, we're back again, and we'll just make it very something like very simple. We are sounding like Gunna, man. You had in the intro, man. We sound like Gunna. We're gonna time to play. And today, I just want to show you guys how Gunna actually, like Gunna's producer, production manager. No, not production manager, man. Mastering engineer, recording engineer, a co-producer. Try to work like the vocals around like Gunna, man. Like Gunna is a snitch. No, man. Sorry. Because it's not a snitch, man. Like, what the F, man? Like, I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyway, guys, today I'm back again with another video. So this beat was made on 130 BPM. Just make sure about that your beat is on 130 BPM. What? BPM. What does BPM means? Beat per minute, man. Okay, let's get it. So the scale, make sure that the scale aligns with the scale of the beat. Your scale should align with the scale of the beat. I'm not talking about your high beat here. I'm talking about the instrumental. Stop playing with me. Stop playing, man. Stop playing with me. Here we're going with C sharp minor, just like that. Your amount, just put it on 100. Put it on 100. Your attack, put it on top, just like that. 239 milliseconds. On your release, push it downwards, man. Push it downwards. Stop playing with me. You want to sound like Gunna? You gotta do what I'm doing right now before it's too late. Pitch band, boo, shit. Put it at 50 cents. Put this one on 70 cents. Put this one on 10 hertz, 440. But the most important things that you need to understand, what I'll be doing on my next video, when you record with your Autotune, guys. Record with Autotune. Put Autotune on your track, then you record. When after doing that, when you're putting your effects, you'll be putting your effects on the vocal with your Autotune on it already. Gonna time to play. Guys, that is the biggest trick, bro. That is the biggest trick. 80% of the producers actually do that, because I'm talking about the underground producers, guys. Please don't get me wrong. 80% of the underground producers actually do that because, like, most of them, their laptop, just like me, is not that powerful. So, like, just to avoid that so much power happening on the laptop, I gotta record with an Autotune first, then I come again on my mastering chain, then I put an Autotune again. Sometimes it just sounds great and I don't even put Autotune because I've already put Autotune on the vocal when I was recording. I'll just make a separate video on what I'm talking about so you can understand what I'm talking about. You know? Yeah. Blessed. That's all, guys. See you on the next one. Please don't subscribe. Just don't subscribe. Just leave. See you next time. I'm kidding. Please subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Subscribe. See you on next time. Love you.